This dish brings back so many fond memories for me, and I hope you share it with your family as well. I'm making my crispy chicken lemon spaghetti. This is the perfect family dinner. It can be ready in under 30 minutes. It's packed full of flavor. It's not that expensive to do, and it is just gorgeous. And there's some old school techniques here that I don't think we do much anymore. And the main one really is coating the chicken in a seasoned flour. Now we don't do that anymore. We marinate chicken, we'll deep fry it, we'll double coat it and all sorts of things, but we just don't simply cook chicken just with a dusting of flour. We don't do that anymore. I don't know why, but it is how my nan used to cook chicken. It used to give it not a crumb or a coating, it just would make the outside really crispy and almost act as a protective layer to the chicken to cook more evenly, to have that juicy chicken breast that you're after. Nowadays we just season the chicken breast, straight in the pan, cook it, get it out, eat it. Next time, try some flour. So into a bowl, I'm going to be adding in the flour. I'm also adding in some salt and pepper, and finally, some Parmigiano Reggiano. Now, you can just use normal Parmesan cheese if you want to. I've got this in the fridge. It is so good. You know I love this stuff. It gives everything such a great flavor. And when pressed into the chicken, it will just melt when that chicken hits the pan. So get all that mixed around really well, and then I'm getting my chicken breast, which I've cut in half, and I'm just coating each side of the chicken. Shake off the excess, and that's it. You're gonna end up with this beautiful coating on your chicken. So into a non-stick pan, heat some oil. I'm using olive oil, and you wanna sear the chicken over a medium heat on both sides of the breast until golden brown and cook through. Now just set it aside and keep warm, but while that's cooking, I'd suggest you cook your spaghetti. So have that boiling water ready to go, salted boiling water, pop the spaghetti in, follow the packet directions, but really it should take you no longer than 8 to 9 minutes. So while the spaghetti's cooking and our chicken is cooking as well, we're going to get started on our cream sauce. So into another pan, I'm adding some butter and some garlic, and I'm just going to cook it until it's soft. I don't want to cook it until it's got color because I don't want to burn the garlic, but I just want to soften the garlic. Now add the fresh lemon juice and then reduce it by half. That way we're going to really intensify that lemon flavor and that real freshness for the lemons as well. It's still going to stay there. Now pour in the cream. I'm also adding in some more Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to bring it to a simmer. So you've got your chicken going, your lemon cream sauce, and your spaghetti. Take your spaghetti, drain it, get all the excess water off, and then place the spaghetti into the lemon cream mixture. Just toss it around, and then get some fresh parsley and just chop it up, mix it through, and just toss it to coat, and there you have a real stunning spaghetti dish. You can have that just by itself. You don't need the chicken. The chicken's amazing with it. But if you just wanted to have that as a standalone dish, that creamy lemon spaghetti is absolutely gorgeous. Now, a lot of people don't think lemon and then spaghetti is going to work well, but trust me, it does. I'm going to rest the chicken breast for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to slice it just on the diagonal. To plate up, I'm just placing in our spaghetti mixture, top it with the chicken, sprinkle over some lemon zest and extra fresh chopped parsley over the top, and you have a winner chicken dinner. It is so good. The family will absolutely love it. Like I said, so many fond memories for me when my nan made this dish, and I would be sitting at the table thinking, my God, this is so good. And now you can do it at home as well and enjoy it with your family. Remember, we create memories, not recipes. Speaking of which, if you're after the recipe, the link is in the description below. Please check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it around with your friends and family, and I'll see you real soon for another recipe. Have a great day.